HAICO Engine Services, an engineering branch of the multinational company Swoir Group, is eyeing to further tap into the potential of the Chinese market. Simon Smith, Director and General Manager of HES, says that despite the pandemic, the company generated a revenue of nearly 4.7 billion yuan in 2022, equivalent to the pre-COVID record high. He expects this year's profits will continue to increase.
Through the strong support of the Sheiman Municipal Government, the Free Trade Zone and the Huli District Government, we'll be able to cope with the increasing workload for this year and also be able to position ourselves well for new product introduction. Our Q1 inputs this year are expected to be 40% up on last year's.
He says the company, as an active participant in the Chinese market, will continue to contribute to the development of the industry.
We're very committed to Xiamen and we're very committed to China. Swoir is our parent company. They are both a contributor and beneficiary of the development of the Chinese mainland. And HES will continue on that journey, continue to contribute to that journey through the promotion of our industry.
HES specializes in maintenance, overhaul and testing of GE90 series aero engines and components.